Are you tired of struggling to see progress despite trying various methods to improve your fitness? Say goodbye to frustration and hello to transformative solutions with Andy Does Fit. Led by expert coach Andrew Smyrniotis, our platform offers tailored programs designed to meet your unique needs and guide you on your journey to a healthier, happier lifestyle. Welcome to Andy Does Fit, your go-to destination for online coaching that's tailored to your needs. Whether you're a beginner or a fitness enthusiast looking to level up, we're here to guide you every step of the way. Personalized coaching. At Andy Does Fit, we get that everyone's fitness journey is different. That's why we're all about personalization. We don't believe in a one-size-fits-all approach. Nope, not our style. Instead, we're here to customize your fitness experience just for you. Our team of expert coaches will team up with you to craft a plan that's tailored to your goals, what you like, and how you live your life. We're not about fitting you into a mold. We're about creating a plan that fits you like a glove. So, whether you're aiming to bulk up, slim down, or just feel healthier overall, we've got your back. Let's work together to make your fitness dreams a reality. Goal setting and tracking. Setting goals is like mapping out your journey to success. At Andy Does Fit, we're all about helping you chart that course. We'll guide you in setting goals that aren't just dreams, but are totally doable and fit right in with what you want to achieve. And guess what? We've got some awesome tools to keep you on track. Our tracking system is super user-friendly, making it a breeze to see how far you've come and where you're headed. It's like having a personal cheerleader with you every step of the way. Nutritional guidance. You've probably heard the saying, abs are made in the kitchen, right? Well, it's more than just a saying, it's a fact. Research shows that around 80% of your fitness results come from what you eat. So if you're aiming for those chiseled abs, paying attention to your diet is key. But don't worry, we've got your back. At our fitness center, we've assembled a team of nutrition experts who know their stuff. They'll work with you one-on-one to create a personalized nutrition plan tailored to your goals and lifestyle. With their guidance, you'll learn how to make healthier food choices that not only support your fitness goals, but also fuel your body for peak performance. Whether you're looking to shed some pounds, build muscle, or just feel better overall, our nutrition team is here to help you every step of the way. Let's make those abs pop together. Varied workouts. At Andy Does Fit, we understand that sticking to a fitness routine can be tough when you're doing the same old thing every day. That's why we've got your back with a diverse range of workouts designed to keep things fresh and fun. Whether you're into pumping iron, getting your heart rate up with cardio, or trying something new like yoga or HIIT, we've got it all. Our goal is to make sure you never get bored and always look forward to your next sweat session. Plus, with so many options to choose from, you'll never feel like you're stuck in a rut. Supportive community. Starting your fitness journey might seem overwhelming at first, but don't worry, we've got your back. At our fitness center, you're not just a member, you're part of a tight-knit community of people just like you, all striving for better health and wellness. Together, we cheer each other on, offer guidance when needed, and revel in each other's accomplishments. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned gym goer, there's a place for you here. And let's sweat it out together, supporting one another every step of the way. Because when you have a tribe behind you, anything is possible. So come on in, make some new friends, and let's crush those fitness goals together. Accessible anytime, anywhere. With Andy Does Fit, you've got all you need to smash your fitness goals without any excuses. Our online platform is your one-stop destination for workouts, progress tracking, and expert coaching, available whenever and wherever you are. No more fretting about busy schedules or inaccessible gyms. Now you can sweat it out and stay on track with your fitness journey from the comfort of your own home or on the go. Whether you're a morning bird or a night owl, our platform adapts to your schedule, ensuring you have the support and resources you need to succeed. Results that speak for themselves. You don't have to just trust what we say. Check out the amazing achievements of our community members for yourself. Our platform has helped countless people experience remarkable transformations, including shedding pounds, getting stronger, and boosting their overall health. It's not just talk. The evidence is clear in the successes of those who've joined our community. Whether it's dropping several dress sizes, lifting heavier weights, or feeling more energetic than ever, our members are living proof that our program works. So, if you're curious about what we offer, take a look at the real-life stories of individuals who've seen incredible results with us. It's not just about the promises we make. It's about the tangible changes our members experience every day. Meet your coach, Andrew Smyrniotis. Andrew Smyrniotis is the powerhouse behind Andy Does Fit. He's not just any fitness coach. He's certified and super passionate about helping people reach their max potential. With loads of experience in the fitness world, Andrew knows his stuff inside out. His coaching isn't one size fits all. It's all about customizing workouts to fit your needs perfectly. Plus, he's not just about reps and sets. Andrew's got that extra spark of motivation that keeps you going when the going gets tough. Ready to take the first step towards a healthier, happier you? And don't forget to join our community of fitness enthusiasts committed to reaching their goals. Don't let another day go by without investing in yourself and your well-being.